Yes, I am, and I'll take full responsibility for it. I'm going to reflect on being a forgetful person as of 25 February 2025. Could I improve? So I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle, and I'm going to reflect on being a forgetful person as of Tuesday, 25 February 2025. That's the day I'm filming this video. In approximately October 2014, I sustained a physical head trauma. From a standing position, I fell backwards and hit the back of my head on a tile floor. That caused me long-term memory loss, and my memory capabilities continue to require intentional effort for maintenance. I briefly addressed if I could improve above maintenance, intentional memory improvement to fully heal / recover in the future. So I fell backwards and it was brainwide. It was amnesia is the proper term, and like I couldn't even remember my parents' names right away, and it has gotten better, but I have had problems, and so there's kind of like the 17 approximately before, it used to just be like it's just not there. It's not, and I say forgetful in the sense of I can't remember, because it wasn't even like if somebody asked me something, it wasn't even like I forgot. It was like, it was just nope. Like they'd be like, I know you know this, and I'd be like I didn't even realize I couldn't I couldn't even realize I couldn't remember. I couldn't even realize I was forgetting something. There was just like nothing there. So I've been working on it, and writing really helps, and talking and producing kind of content really helps. So that's one way. I continue to get more of my memory back. So in that sense, there is deliberate, intentional improvement of my memory. The other one that has helped is actually relevant in the like, okay, that's a head trauma, but aside from that, are you a forgetful person? Yeah, I've learned that from YouTubing. And I found, so in 2022, when I started my ongoing at least one video a day, filmed and published the same day with my face in it, I could be forgetful in posting. So it would be like, okay, I want to post a video each day, but it would be like, 3 in the afternoon, and be like, I haven't done a video. So yes, actually, YouTubing has enlightened me to like, I actually had to structuralize so that I did not forget. And so some of the things I did was a time of day, topic, or themed day of the week videos, and meal correlated synchronization has helped in me being less forgetful about posting. So yes, actually, YouTubing at high frequency can be, for me, Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle, a forgetful territory. So like, and thinking of moving forward, especially if I go PhD in physics in Italy pathway of like, how do I not forget to post videos? And I was like, well, maybe I tie it to 2 videos a day, and I, no matter when they're filmed, or like the day before or day of mealtime, I tie it to lunchtime or something like that, so that I don't forget. And so is the key to me recovering / healing, me making these YouTube videos. And honestly, they have helped greatly thus far. So it helps on just like the daily, as well as like there's the long-term stuff, but then there's like the working memory and short-term stuff. And so the YouTubing has actually helped me structuralize my mind to not forget, even just on a simple like day of time frame. So there we go. As reflecting on being a forgetful person as of 25 February 2025, could I improve?